Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to another interesting session of the Astro Club. So today I've come up with something different thing for all of you. So far in our Astro Club, we've been discussing about all the topics related to astronomy and aerospace. Am I right?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, but since this is summer, like all of you are in a vacation time, like since it's the time of summer holidays, I've decided to start something else apart from our regular topics. Like regularly we've been discussing about astronomy and all of that, but this time as a small course in the summer, I'm going to talk about Scratch. So first I'll explain you what Scratch is and what is the use of Scratch or what are the benefits of Scratch. Then we can work upon it. So for this, you need another device with you. A laptop or an iPad is preferable.
Akka, I have phone, Akka.
Okay, so now, is it clear till here? Did you understand what we are going to do? Yeah. So for a few more weeks, in this whole month, I mean, in the month of May and all of that, we'll be doing all the projects based on Scratch. So now, welcome to the Scratch programming course. I'm super excited to have all of you here together. So we are going to learn how to program on the computer using the Scratch software all the way from the basics. So have you ever heard of the word programming?
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
Akka.
Yeah. So basically programming means giving instructions to the computer to do a specific task. Okay, you want a specific thing to happen. So for that purpose, you are giving instructions to the computer. Normally in high level, I mean, if you go to the higher classes or in the high level, usually the programming is in the form of lines of codes. You may have seen it, right? Like they keep on writing big codes, okay, to do a specific task. But in your level, since you are all in lower classes, in your level, we have something called as Scratch programming. Okay, this is the basic type of programming where you code using the blocks of code and also these some characters. As you can see here is a picture of cat. So you use different characters and you write the lines of code. Is it clear?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. So
Yes, Akka.
even if you have no experience in coding, no worries at all, not an issue. Even if you don't know anything about coding, not a problem. Because we are going to start from the very basics and build our way up to the point where we start making all sorts of games or interesting programs that you can show to your friends and family. We'll be making a lot of games and projects and all of that, and it's going to be very, very interesting. Also, learning Scratch programming sets you up to the future success, so that if you want to learn other programming languages in the future, it would be really helpful to you, because this is a very basic type of programming with easy syntax, and it's very visual, with the help of different characters you code it, and very clear instructions and very clear syntax. Okay, so it's going to be really fun and really interesting. So first of all, in order to start with this Scratch programming, all of you be ready with your second device. Okay, and then you go to Google. Okay. You go to Google and you search for Scratch. Are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so like this, you go to Google and you search for Scratch. All of you must do it. Don't sit idle. Okay, all of you do it. Only then you can learn. Because after teaching something, I will ask you to do it and I will ask you to share your screen. Then you must be able to share your screen and show me what you have done. Okay?
Okay, Akka.
So all of you do it. Yeah. So now go to Google and search.
Akka, can I tell one thing?
Yeah, tell me.
Akka, the characters in the Scratch are called sprites.
Yeah. Let's go from the basics. Okay, even if you know about it, like just try to be silent for a while because others don't know about it, right? So let them also learn. So have you searched for Scratch?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
So now here you can see this link here, right? Scratch, imagine, program and share. Click on that first one.
Okay.
Okay, Akka. Okay, Akka.
So this is a website where we are going to be creating all our projects. And in order to make sure that our projects are saved and that we can use them later and we can share them later, we can play with them later, we have to first create an account so that all our projects get saved there.
Akka, 1 minute, Akka. Can you wait?
Yeah. So what we are going to do is, now we are going to create an account. Listen carefully, listen to the instructions carefully and follow it accordingly.
Okay, Akka.
See here you can see this option, join Scratch. Are
Yes,
you
Akka.
Join Scratch, the top right side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now click on that, join Scratch. It will ask you for a username. So you can give your username. I've given mine, you give your username and you give your username, you give your password, okay? And then you can click on next.
Okay, Akka.
You give,
Akka,
yeah.
it is telling that username taken prior.
Yeah. Sometimes when you type a name, it may say that it is already taken. So then type another name.
Okay, Akka.
Okay.
Yes, Akka, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Then I should click on next, Akka.
Yeah, click on next and here it will ask you a question. What country do you live in? So select the country India.
Select country.
Then it will ask you, when were you born?
Akka, I can't find India. Oh, it is in letters.
Okay, when were you born will ask. So enter your month and year. And then next. Then it will ask your gender. Then select your gender and click on next. Then it will ask for your email ID. Type your email address and then click on create your account. Yeah. So see.
Akka, wait a minute.
Pardon?
Akka, actually, just a second. Like, I can't find the India.
You may get some issue at the username because it says it is already taken, something like that. So just try.
Only a problem for that only, Akka.
Yeah, so try for different names. Okay.
Akka,
Yeah.
now I should write my Gmail.
Yeah, enter your
Write my-
email. Yeah, enter your mail ID.
Yes, Akka, 1 minute.
Yeah, do it.
I think it is easy.
If you don't have a mail ID, you can enter your parents' mail ID also.
Akka, it is loading. Akka,
Yeah.
welcome to Scratch Mahish K.
Yeah. You'll get something like this. Then click on get started.
Yes,
Okay,
Akka.
I got it.
Yes, Akka, I got it.
Now
Well,
your account is created. So whatever projects you do in the Scratch, it will be saved. Okay, so that you can go through them later on. If possible, all of you please turn on the video so that the class will be lively. Okay.
Akka, for me now it is not coming, Akka.
Yeah, just try. Wherever you have doubt, ask, or otherwise tell me where you have doubt.
Akka, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I log in with two accounts? I mean, two devices?
What for?
Can I log in with my account with two devices, Akka?
That's what I was asking. What for? Okay, your wish. How many devices you want, you log in, but you just follow what I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, Akka.
Now, did you get it like this? Did all of you get it?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Now, so now we are logged in and we are ready to start and create some projects. So now let's begin with our first project. So for that, here you can see at the left side, you can see this option create. Click on that.
Okay.
So you will get something like this.
Akka, it's showing loading.
Yeah. Did you all get something like this?
No, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
It is loading.
Yes, Akka, I got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Akka, it is telling create. Yeah, yes, Akka, now I got. Sprite 1.
It may take some time to load, but you'll get something like this. Did you get it?
Yes, Akka.
Now listen very carefully. Now listen carefully. So we now can see how the panels are set up here. So basically this is a screen which we'll be working on, and we have different panels here. If you observe, now I'm going to explain you quickly what these panels are. So basically if you, so we have four major panels here. Okay, four main panels. Let me explain. If you look at the extreme left side here, this one. Okay, all of this is called as code block panel. Code block panel, because these are the blocks of codes which we will be using in our programming. These are all the different blocks of codes. Okay.
Okay, Akka. Code
block panel. And this area is called as coding panel.
Okay, Akka.
Called as what? Coding
panel.
Yeah. And this area is called as scene panel.
Scene panel.
Scene panel, because whatever coding we do here, whatever coding we do in the coding panel, the output we can see in the scene panel. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
And then the fourth panel is this one. This is called as sprite panel.
Sprite panel.
It's called as a sprite panel.
Okay.
So these are the four types of panels. This is a code block panel. This is the coding panel. This is the scene panel, and this is the sprite panel. Yeah.
Okay, Akka.
So now, this is at the scene panel, everything will take place. Like whatever code you do on the coding panel, the output will be shown on the screen panel.
Okay.
So you need to understand what a sprite is. So these characters which you can see here, for example, here you can see a cat. So this cat is called a sprite.
Sprite.
So this cat here is called a sprite. Okay.
Okay, Akka. Hello, Akka.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
there?
So this one is called as a sprite. Now listen carefully. If you want to delete a sprite, okay, if you want to delete a sprite, see here, you have to click on the sprite here, and here you can see a bin option. Are you able to see it?
Yes, Akka.
Just click on that. Then the sprite will be deleted.
Yes, Akka. 1 minute, I'm clicking. Yes, Akka. It disappeared.
Yeah, so these are some basic things which you need to know. The first thing that we're going to learn today is selecting or deleting a sprite. So how we can delete a sprite and how we can select a sprite.
Select a sprite.
So this is how we can delete it. Did you understand how we can delete it?
Yes, Akka.
So now I'm going to tell you how we can select a sprite. So if you can see here you have an option with, with a cat-like
option.
icon. Are you able to see this?
Yes, Akka.
If you
Yes,
click on
Akka.
this here, just above this, you will have a magnifying glass option with choose a sprite.
Yeah, yes, Akka.
Click on that. See, you will get a lot of characters. You will get a lot of things. You have-
Akka, we can search our own sprite.
yeah, you can search for the name, and you can see here animals. You have different animals. You have people. You have fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters. So you have different things that you can use to make your projects. So you have these different things, the balloons, bears, beetles, butterfly, cake. So many you have here. See, all of these. So these are all the sprites. So now let me tell you how to select a sprite. So when you click on that magnifying glass, you will get something like this. Okay. So then I'm going to select a cat again. So you can just click on that one and it will appear on your screen.
Yes, Akka.
So this is how we can select a sprite. You
And
remember how we
delete
can delete it? Just click on this bin option,
Bin.
delete it.
Yes, sir.
If you want to select it, click on this one and then the magnifying glass, and you will get all of these characters where you can choose. Okay, so this is the first thing which I wanted to explain. Did you understand how we can select or delete a sprite?
Yes, Akka.
Yes,
Yeah.
Akka.
Now,
Akka,
moving,
let me do it, Akka.
if you haven't done it, do it fast so that we can move on to the next one. Did you all do it?
Yes, Akka.
Just show me like this. Just show me what you have done.
You just
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, now next one. So this is about the sprite. So basically sprite is some character kind of thing which will be using in your programming or coding or in your projects. Okay. Now let's talk about the backgrounds. You have different backgrounds also here. Just beside this sprite icon, you have this choose a backdrop. Did you see this?
Yes, Akka.
Here also click on the magnifying glass and you'll get different backdrops. See, you get the fantasy ones, get some related to music, the sports one, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, patterns. So many backdrops you have, like bedroom, the beach, castle, farm, flowers, city, concert, forest. So many you have. Okay, so you can yourself, please mute yourself.
Akka, can you tell again
Yeah,
about
So-
the background?
yeah. So these are all the different backdrops you can choose. So if you want something, you can just click on that backdrop and see. That backdrop is set up here. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this is the first topic, like how to select or how to select or delete a sprite or a background. Okay. Did you understand this first topic?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Now let's move on to the second topic, that is how to move a sprite. How to move a sprite. So for that, all of you listen carefully. Delete this cat. Delete this sprite. Delete this sprite and select baseball. Did you select?
Yes, Akka.
Akka, baseball or basketball?
Select a baseball.
Okay.
And now for the background, choose this one, XY grid. Choose this one.
Akka, can you tell it again?
Now we are going to discuss about the position of the sprite and how we can change the position of the sprite. Okay.
Akka, can you wait 1 minute, please?
Yeah. Did you all set it up like this?
Yes, Akka.
Akka,
Yes,
I can't see the XY one.
Mahesh, go to the last.
Oh, okay.
See, go to the choose
Yes,
background
Akka.
and scroll to the last. You will get XY grid.
Yes, Akka.
Okay, now listen carefully. So now we are going to write our first code. But before that, if I want to move this ball, I can just use my mouse. I can just click on this ball and I can move it. Just try it. You can just directly move it here.
Yes, Akka, we can move.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, but I don't want to move it by myself. I want the program or I want the code to move my ball. Okay. I don't want to move the
Okay.
ball by myself. I want my code to move the ball. So what you can do is, see here, you can see the x-axis and y-axis. So first, keep the x-axis at 0 and y-axis also at 0. That means at origin. You know origin, right? 0, 0.
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
So now I want to move my ball here. I want to move my ball to this position. Are you able to see? I'm drawing here. I want to move my ball here.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what are the coordinates of this point? Can anyone say? What is the x-axis and what is the y-axis of this point? See, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So
Yes, Akka.
the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So I want the coordinates of this point. So what is the x-coordinate and y-coordinate? See, corresponding to this point, what is the value here? 100.
100.
What is the value here?
100.
100.
So the coordinates of this point is 100, 100.
100.
Okay.
Okay. Akka.
So I want to move my ball to this position. Now let's see what we can do. So first, drag down here, all of this drag down. and choose this one.
Even.
When flag is clicked. So all of you remember, our code will run or our code will begin only when we click this flag. Here on the top, you can see this green flag. Only when you click this flag, our code will run. So for that, we need to first select this option when flag is clicked. Okay. Did you all select this when flag is clicked?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah.
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Now go scroll above and in this motion column, you can see this one. Go to. So we have to set the x coordinate and y coordinate. I mean, the place where we want our ball to move. Which point we want our ball to move? 100, 100.
100, 100.
Yeah. So the
Yes,
x
Akka.
coordinate will be 100. Just type it here. And the y coordinate will also be 100. So what is the meaning of this code? I mean, what do we want our code to do? When we click on the flag, the ball should go to this position, 100, 100. Did you all do this?
Yes,
Akka.
Akka.
How
Yes,
can we
Akka.
get 100,
now-
100?
Yeah, wait. Now let's run our code. So here you can see this flag. If you click on this flag, see, our ball has moved to that position, 100, 100. Did it move for all of you?
Yes, Akka.
So now you try for this position. Now I want my ball to move to this position. You try it yourself and I'll also do so that you can check. So first, before we do any code, before we write any code, we have to first analyze what we need to do. Okay, we need to first think what we are going to do. So first we need the coordinates of this point. So what are the coordinates of this point?
Minus 100, minus 100.
Minus 100, minus 100. So you have to set the x coordinate to minus 100 and y coordinate to minus 100. And now click on the flag. See, the ball has moved
Now
to this.
my ball has moved.
Yeah. So did you understand how to change the position?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. So now,
Excuse me, Akka.
Yes, Akka, it is interesting.
yeah.
Like Akka, when I typed minus 100 and minus 100, my ball didn't move at that position.
You have to click on the flag.
No, actually, I have clicked on the flag too.
No, it has to move. Once show me what you have done.
Yes, Akka, just a second.
Did it move for all of you?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
It moved for me also. Maybe you've done something wrong. Just show me.
Akka, is it visible?
No, it's totally blurred.
Okay, Akka, just a second.
Show
Akka,
me
can
the-
you show my picture?
Show me the scene panel.
Akka, like the position of the ball is here and like I have written minus 100 and minus 100 only.
Now click on the flag. Show
Okay,
me. Click on the flag.
like here I've clicked on the flag. It's there only.
Click on that red one once. Click on the red one.
Rani, you should keep the ball 100, 100.
Like I can't
Why it's
click.
not moving? It has moved for all of us. Once try it again properly. Once try it again properly.
Yes, Akka, just a second.
Akka,
Yeah,
can I show mine?
yeah, sure.
Can you see, Akka?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Akka, I'm
What
doing
about
it in
others?
one device only, Akka.
Are you all doing? What about others?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka, we are doing.
Yeah, okay. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is how to move a sprite. Okay, so just delete this baseball And
Excuse me.
yeah,
I did that once again. Now it is on that same position only.
oh, I don't know why it's not changing for you. Actually, for everyone,
No,
it's.
actually, I'm saying that it's now at the right position, like
Oh,
where you
yeah.
told.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. It has moved, right? Fine. Now delete the sprite and now choose a different backdrop. Okay. Maybe you can choose this one. Select this night city. Select the night city and
Akka, 1 minute.
yeah. You can choose some different sprite. Let's choose the cat only again. So just move this cat, place this cat at this position. Now let's move this cat 10 steps forward, okay? Or let's move this cat 20 steps forward. Did you get my point?
Yes, Akka.
Yes,
Now we're
Akka.
going to move this cat 20 steps forward. So what is the first step when flag is clicked? Every time at the beginning of the code, we have to keep this block when flag is clicked. After that, we have to continue our code. So when flag is clicked, what should happen? The cat should move 20 steps. So you have the first block here. See, move 10 steps. You can edit that
Yes,
10 to 20.
Yes.
And then click on the green flag. See, it has moved a bit. So if you change the number to some 50 or 60 like that, it will move some more farther distance. Okay, just try it out once and let me know if you got it or not.
Akka, I got it.
Yeah, see, whenever I click the green flag, the cat is moving 50 steps.
How can you see mine?
Yeah, once wait. Yeah, sure. Remove your hand.
Okay, 1 minute. Akka.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, nice.
Akka, can I show mine?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Akka, 1 minute.
Yeah, okay. So you can try it out with different characters. We have done it with a cat. You can do it with another thing also. So you can do
Akka,
it.
can you see?
Yeah, you can do it with a bear or something else. Okay, you can try it. Okay, got it?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Now we're going to see the last topic of today's session. Today we're going to learn only some basic things. And from the next session, we're going to do some advanced projects or we can design a game like that. Okay?
Okay, Akka.
Oh, okay, Akka.
For a few weeks, we'll be working on Scratch only. Okay. Okay. So now, change the backdrop. Go to space here and change the backdrop to spaceship. Okay, change the backdrop to spaceship.
Okay. Akka, sprite?
Yeah.
Yes, Akka.
Now we will need 2 sprites for this. The first sprite is this one, ballerina. This is one sprite. And you can increase the size of the sprite also. Here, see, you have size as 100. You can make it 150 so that the size will increase.
Oh, okay, Akka.
Yeah. Now select another sprite that is, you can choose something different.
Akka, goblin.
Choose anything actually. Yeah, choose goblin. And you can increase this size also to 150. No, 150 is too large, I guess. Make it 120. Yeah.
Yes, Akka, 1 minute.
Akka, what is the size of ballerina?
Yeah, you can keep it, ballerina, you can keep it as 150 and goblin as 120.
Okay. Wait a second.
So now the thing that we are going to do is, we just listen to what we are going to do. Before writing a code, we need to first analyze what we are going to do. So we want the ballerina to move towards the goblin, and we want goblin to move towards the ballerina. Okay, that means they should exchange the positions. The ballerina should come here and the goblin should come here. Did you understand what we are going to do?
Yes, Akka.
We are going to exchange their positions. Now let's see how we can do that. So always remember, now you have two sprites. So far we have been working with only one sprite. So when you have two sprites, you have to write two different codes for both the sprites. Okay, we have to write the code separately for both the sprites.
Akka code.
What? Tell me.
You told code.
Yeah, we have to write the code. I mean, we have to use these blocks and we have to write it separately for both the sprites.
Okay, Akka.
And see here, which sprite you select, that sprite will be visible here. On the coding panel, you can see that sprite here, which means we are writing our code for that sprite. Now I can see the ballerina here. That means I'm going to write the code for ballerina. If I click on goblin here, then I can see the goblin.
Will be appeared on the
Yeah,
front.
that means I'm going to write the code for goblin. Now first let's write for ballerina. What is the first step? When
Akka, well,
flag is
When
clicked.
flag click.
When flag is clicked.
when flag is point towards.
See here. You have this option called go to. Okay. You have this option called go to. So where should it move? Towards goblin. So click on this arrow mark and change it to goblin.
Goblin.
So that is the code. So that is what we want the code to do. When the flag is clicked, ballerina should move towards goblin. Now let's write for goblin. The same thing. When flag is clicked,
Go
the
to
goblin
random
should
position.
move to ballerina.
Ballerina. Run. Flag.
Now let's test.
I did it.
Now let's test this. Click on the green flag. Wait, let's keep it here. When flag is clicked, the goblin should move towards ballerina, and when flag is clicked,
Goblin.
it should move towards goblin. Just a second, let me see how it works and then I'll show you.
Akka, I have one doubt.
Yeah, ask.
Akka, when I did this code, it's coming in front of both and I can't see the back character.
Yes, Akka, for me too.
Yeah. 1 second. I'm looking into it. Okay, yeah. Let me say where we went wrong. So remove this, go to. Okay, remove this one. And you have another thing here. Glide, okay? Keep this. glide 1 second to goblin. So what do you mean by glide? Means it will, both will move together. Glide means. Okay, just remove that go to and change it to glide. Now see. Did you get it? Now see.
Yes, Akka, 1 minute.
Yes,
Yeah. That means we have to use glide. If we use go to, only one character will move. If we use glide, both the characters will move. Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
yes, Akka.
Akka, for me, goblin is only moving.
No, see, both will move.
Akka, for me also, Akka.
Akka, for me, both are
Can
moving.
you see?
Yeah, both will move.
Yes, Akka.
See, you have to change for both. You have to change the code for ballerina and you have to change for goblin also.
I got it, Akka.
Yeah,
Okay, Akka.
you have to change for both and
Oh,
then
oh,
try.
okay.
Both will move. Okay, so
Akka, in mine, they move.
yeah. Okay, so these are all the basics that I wanted to teach in today's session. Let's we will continue some more advancing. So all of this summer we'll be working only on Scratch only because all of this is very interesting to do. Okay, we'll be doing more and more interesting.
Akka, how to save this?
It's already saved. See here, if you go to this thing beside your name, you have this option, file option something. If you go to that, you'll be able to see the project that you've done. Okay.
Okay, Akka. Thank you, Akka.
Akka, can you
Now
teach
wait,
me once
just a
again?
second. Now wait. So as homework, you can just practice on your own. Okay, you have to, you select your own backdrop, you select your own sprite, and what we have done, you can try it. How to move, how to glide. Okay, all of that you can try.
Akka, how to save this?
It's already saved automatically. So did you like today's session?
Yes, Akka. Yes, Akka.
What about others? Did you like
Yes.
it?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so next week, attend without fail because it will be the continuation of today's session. Otherwise, if you miss it, then you can't understand.
Okay, Akka. Akka, once can you see my screen?
Yeah, show it. Yeah,
Akka,
So
I
afterwards, can I also present the screen?
yeah, now show it. Yeah,
I click
good.
the flag, Akka. They are going.
Yeah, good. It's working.
Okay, Akka.
Yeah, Mahesh, tell me.
Akka, I can't show you the video, Akka, because I'm doing both in one device.
No
only.
problem, no problem.
Or shall I take the video?
Yeah, you can send it to me personally.
Yes, Akka, one.
Yeah, okay, so that's all for today. See you all in next session. Okay?
Yeah, Akka, bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Akka. Bye.
Okay, Akka, bye.